Hi everyone. So in this video I'll discuss about time cycles and price levels, how we can use both of them to capture some good moves in the market. Now, as we all know that Adani stocks have seen a very drastic fall in last week. In last session they were down like between 15 to 20%, and there were some important time cycles coming out for different Adani stocks. So I wanted to give you, example of how price and type combination can lead to some big falls in the market. As you can see, this is a big fall here. So, what we do is, I mean, using simple mathematics and simple, previous highs and lows, you can capture some big moves in the market. So let me open the chart of Adani ports. This is the chart of Adani ports. And what is the time cycle which we are using is, this is our scanner. So what we have done is 925, it made a high on 27th April 2022, and it made a low of 651 on 24th February 2022. Let me first show you these. So this was the high of 925 on 27th April 2022, and it made a low here on 24th Feb of 652. Now what we are doing in this formula is very simple. We are taking the difference of both the prices, the difference between the range. So basically what we are doing is, I'll just show you here, we are taking the difference between high minus low. So that is 274 points, and just simply add this 274 points to this date, the day it made a high. So it came at 26/1 2023, 26 January 2023. Now 26 Jan was a holiday, so if you can take one day before 25th, and 26 again, we can see such a big fall of around 16% in the stocks. Now how we can capture this? Now this is fine, we know it's an important time cycle date. If you don't know anything, just focus on first 15 minutes high and low, whichever side is broken, take the trade. But to create more sophistication, what we have done is, the high it made here was 988, right? So we have developed our own indicators here. So I come to Adani ports, and this is our indicator. So here we have to just put the high, so 987, 988, 7 point something, so 987, I round it off, and it will automatically generate these levels. Let me just change it to, let's suppose, and 1000. The levels will change, right? So now I'm changing it back to 19987, which was the high of Adani. So it will generate certain lines which is based on Gann concepts. These lines are important trend changing lines. So 26 was a holiday, so 27th it just opened below this line. So this was a very good short trade. No, we have to take 915. So this is the 915 candle. It opened below this red dot. On the previous day it closed below this red line. So the trend was on shorting, and I used 21 EMA as a indicator for trend, for the intraday. So you can see it open gap down. It touched this point, so we can take a short here. Keep a stop loss of a candle about 21 EMA. Write the move, write the move. You know, if you're in, you are satisfied with the profit, book at this red line. And if it is sustaining below it, again you can take a short trade. I think it hit 10% lower circuit here. Again the fall continued, and somewhere here you will get stopped out. So it's a very simple techniques. I know 26 was an important day, and based on that, we were able to capture this beautiful move of Adani Port. So all the way from 690, 698 all the way towards 540. From 548 only, you can see a bounce back came in. So it's a very, very simple technique. Similarly, I've drawn for Adani International also. Yeah, see here. It opened here again. Price got resistance at this black dot below this red line. The trend is confirmed downtrend. See, such a beautiful fall came. Even if you're short, you keep a stop loss at this line. You meet your first target. You keep trailing your stop loss. Keep trailing somewhere here. You will book out. So it's a simple technique to capture some really big moves in the market. you know so and calculating this time cycle is just capture the high and low of any stock, and based on that you can do it. Now if I remove this filter, let me remove this. If any stocks are coming, I'll just select 2023 here. So I'll get certain set of stocks. Adani International, see again, it was 26 December 23, 26 Jan. Adani Ports was 18 Jan was also there. So let's see what happened on 18 Jan. uh, So 18 Jan again it made a perfect top, and from there before that only the fall, after that only the fall started. So yeah, we use these simple techniques. There are a lot of formulas here, but I wanted to showcase this only. And for the next few days, see, these were the time cycles. Adani International was again 26. Now for the next few days, 29 and 30, if any stocks are coming, let me just show you. You can trade them. Okay, we don't have much here. Let me just clear all the filters. Clear. Yeah, so this is the sheet which we generate for the whole year. It's our time cycle sheet which we use. Um and the indicator which I've shown you, it's a proprietary indicator. It's not available on TradingView. That is basically we have developed for our own. Uh, so let me just show you for if we have, yeah. So 30, 31st, and 29. What are the stocks coming? These are a lot of stocks: MRF, Hero Moto, JSW Steel, Star C, ACC is also there. So what is the level which I can watch out for ACC? Let me just show you using that indicator how we can generate. So let me open the chart of ACC here. ACC. First, as the stock is in strong downtrend, so first we'll note down what is the major high. It made a major high here, which was on 2785. I go to my indicators, my scripts, bottom top. So the high here is 2785. Just come down here in the top. We are entering the top 2785 and select this, so it will generate smaller levels also. Yeah. So these levels are now here with us. So if you want to take a fresh long in ACC, it's better about 1960, and suppose it opens gap up, then 2004, then 2095, 2187 will be your target. So 2004, 2187, 2378, these are the important levels which you need to focus on. So yeah, using this you can capture, and it's a very simple time cycle. Find a high and low, calculate the difference, add it to the day, and you'll get an important turning points in the market. So yeah, that's about it. Very small video to find how time and price combination we can use to capture some really good moves in the market. That's about it. Thank you very much. Stay disciplined. Practice this. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you.